Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We have about 15 minutes for NYSE to open. I don't expect a trade to occur today. I just came here just to show myself, to show that I'm dedicated. Okay, just to make sure that I don't disappoint anyone. I don't fall short of the expectations. I don't expect anything to happen today because we are going to come back again at 10 p.m. after all, 10 p.m. Dubai time after all. So that is 10 p.m. GST. Everyone is going to be back. That is for FOMC. We're going to come back for this news. I don't know. We are coming back. Don't come back with a lot of expectations. Okay, we may or may not take trades. Okay, we may decide to take trades, and during FOMC, I think I prefer during FOMC to trade just Euro USD. I think that's the best thing for us to do. I'm just going to dump NAS and the other things and just focused on just one pair, which is gonna be Euro USD for FOMC. I know NAS actually is driven mostly by FOMC as well, but then I prefer to focus on something, just one stuff, and it's gonna be Euro USD. I just want everyone to be part of whatever thing we're going to catch. And if you're going to be on the stream, just come prepared and don't have a lot of expectations. We may decide to go for 10 pips. We may decide just to, use sell stop or buy stop. Whichever one that goes, we just, let it keep moving, okay? And we see where it's going to land us. But then most likely, guys, let me just zoom out. Okay, let me just use, since I'm going to use Euro USD, let me zoom out. You see what's happening here, right? Since I think second, this is second, right? 13th, something happened on 13th. I forgot already. I think it should be CPI. Since CPI, nothing has happened. It just been some sort of consolidation, and today price actually made a very nice move to complete this setup. I'm gonna just draw the setup. Price made a very nice move to complete this setup, right? So a very nice move to just come to the end of this setup. The end of this setup should be somewhere here. Oh god, okay, nice. Should be somewhere here, and price is already there, so this setup is completed, right? So now what else should happen to market after completing this setup? We do not know. I expect FOMC to drive price all the way up to this, at least to this trend line. Okay, mark this today, mark this statement today. FOMC may drive price back to this trend line, which is somewhere around 1.01276, but then we don't know, so let's leave anything concerning FOMC. We're going to be back at around 9:30. Then we just cash cruise until it is 10 p.m. Then we stream for about 30 minutes and end the stream one more time. Okay, today is a beautiful day. We are going to stream 3 times today. Whoa, congrats everyone for that opportunity. I am happy to have been privileged to stream 3 times in a day, right? So I just pray God that it works out after all. Maybe at that time I may be very deep asleep and enjoying my life and stuff. And when that happens, apologies if I fail you at that time. So let's proceed. From one, I'm going to remove this so that we have good analysis right here. I feel the price for market open, that is if we see volume, I feel price is just going to go up around this area, 80 pips, or it could just come down here to gather liquidity. Whichever one is going to do, we just want to be part of it, right? So I think this is enough liquidity. Look at this week, exertion week, right? The first candle, 4 hours candle, closed with a complete exertion week, and the second one, the third one, the fourth one did man. This is a very terrible area. This is a terrible area. You don't dare, okay? You do not dare to go against this, okay? So in worst case scenario for this open, you may see price drag all the way to this zone. Now this zone number 1, second one touching trend line, right? So if we see this happen, we take advantage of price that is going up. Okay, that is if it happens. If it doesn't happen, if we see low volume and we suspect that price is actually heading for this level, we just take a sell and get out at 30 pips. At least we must close with 30 pips at least today, right? So let's target that. But if we don't see the opportunity, it's better we are away from the market. Look at Euro USD. You remember we took a buy. If you held your buy, congrats, because our TP got hit. For German index, during our morning session, we took a buy. DAX index, I would say. And guess what? It hit TP as well. So congrats to everyone that took the trades in the morning, and if you left your trades open, if you closed your trade as well with like I did myself, there's nothing wrong. We have fresh opportunity every single day. No 2 days in Forex are the same. We just work out price actions and then take due advantage of them. Okay, I've got a couple of messages. Samuel Mahama is saying hi. And Bondaddy franchise, what's up, Dr. Kingsley? Hope you are good today. Hey, I'm good, Dr. Bondaddy franchise. I'm fantastic. Okay. And BK says, good evening. Hey, BK, good evening to you too, and good evening to everyone. Okay. All right, let's go back to NAS, my good friend. For the sake of this streaming, I'm not going to look at Euro USD. I'm just going to focus on what we are here for. Yes, the tag says Euro USD and NAS. If you've got a question on Euro USD, please go ahead and ask me the question. Otherwise, let's focus on NAS. All right. So going back to NAS, after seeing this liquidity, what do we expect? Price to drag down, touch this line, this trend line, at the same time touch this FIBO level. Then we let it will lose itself and then to go up, or we could actually break this high and continue going up, right? So we don't know what's going to happen. So it's better we be careful. But from what I see, I think price actually, this is 30 minutes, right? Considering the fact, let's look at some, anomalies in the market. Considering the fact that this is here, this, when I circle this, if you are very observant, you're going to understand that what I mean here is there is no bottom wick, right? So without a bottom wick, there is a very high tendency for price to continue moving down, to reverse and go down for a retest, right? That is why I'm hoping to get a sell. But if we see a buy, come on, why not? We take advantage of it. Okay, so these two things are the plan. Okay, so I know I've got a lot of levels here. I think I got to remove some of them. Let me remove this level. This level, I think it played its role here, which is a breakout. But let's leave it, because if a fake out occurs here, it means we have to get in very hard, for price to touch this trend line one more time. Okay, so let me close Euro USD for now. I gotta close it. Whatever happens there, I'm sorry, it's not my fault. Okay, now what next? Going to 15 minutes, we can clearly see here, very nice build up here. After this particular build up, we start seeing some anomalies, some pause in market, buyers are taking take profit and stuff like that, right? So what do we need at this point in time? What we need is to anticipate a retest of this level, because I think from this setup here, you can see that buyers are weak already. Buyers are taking profits already. So sellers may take over for some time now, for buyers to regain strength, or in other words, gather liquidity here. Not as if I'm not conversant with Forex terms. I am, but I decided to break it down as low as possible, because I know I have a lot of calibers, different calibers of people that are here on live stream, and I expect more calibers of guys to join. In Forex, you have more than 1,000 calibers of people with different opinions about where price is going to be. Some people are going to tell you price is going to remain here for the next 2 hours, and some are going to tell you it's going to go up and come down. Some are going to tell you it's going to go up and break and come down. Some are going to tell you it's going to go up and continue and never come down until next year. And some are going to tell you the same exact story down the other way around. So it's better we go with your opinion. Don't listen to nobody. Okay, if you understand analysis, go ahead with the analysis, and don't listen to anybody. Don't listen to anybody. What you could do is, after your trades have played out, look at whatever somebody said and compare it with whatever thing you said. You have whatever is the outcome of your analysis, and see if there are changes you need to make. Okay, the time for trade, this time of our trade, is not a time to listen to sentiment. It's a time to focus squarely on your analysis. Okay, I've got some messages here. Hello, doctor. When did I become doctor? Guys, I'm Kingsley, not doctor, man. We are here for now. Looks like it will go down before rising. Exactly, that's what I'm thinking. Check June 15 price action last FOMC. There was a stop hunt before price pushed up. This is something we need to check. We are starting streaming today at 9:30, right? So we have ample opportunity to check all those things from 9:30. Okay, and the next person says, please, what is NAS in XNES? NAS in XNES is US Tech. Let me confirm that, because I have a couple of brokers and sometimes I get confused on the one to use. Yes, US Tech. That is this name. NAS on XNES is this. Okay, that is it. US Tech. So go ahead and look for US Tech and have fun. Okay. And one more thing, if you are not following me on Telegram yet, you are missing. We have a lot of things going on now, and only those that are blessed are the people that are going to take advantage. Other ones are going to be left to luck. Okay, all right, so go ahead and join me here. Ask your questions. If I'm not available, the room will treat ourselves like family. Someone is definitely going to respond to you. Okay, ask your questions there. We are so polite. We don't insult nobody, and anybody that dares to advertise anything there, we remove him and block him forever. Okay, so that is what we do. You don't advertise nothing there. Just go ahead and talk about price movement, price action, how you love price action, how you want to marry price action, how you want to give birth to price actions. Those are the things we talk about. All right, Zone Max is talking about hello guys. Hello, Zone Max, how are you? Welcome, good to have you. So guys, I feel price is actually gonna drop. Let me show you guys how, because I actually had this on the screen when I started the stream. Simon is missing. Trust me, Simon Conley is on this stream. She's gonna comment now. Just give her a couple of minutes. She's gonna comment now. She doesn't miss streams, so I trust her on that. Okay, Simon, we're waiting. See, she's gonna comment shortly now. Okay, so for this move, see, I told you. She doesn't miss nothing. I mean, come on, I know her. Okay, so this is the start of this wave, this particular wave here. This wave, this is the start, and this is the end. So 1 second, let me get my cursor here. Now this is the end of this move, right? So telling us that price is where it needs to be. So we should expect a sell-off. But then if we don't get any opportunity, guys, just do not worry. We may likely get opportunity during FOMC. But if we don't get during FOMC as well, relax. Don't kill yourself over nothing. Nothing is, is getting damaged yet. We can still get opportunities every day. So we need price to do whatever we want it to do. If it doesn't do what we want it to do, we don't need to take nothing, no positions. Okay, so now we are back. I love what I see, guys. I love what I see. If it was not because of this stream, so we can clearly see, guys, that price is touching this FIBO level, right? 70% to 8.6%. So I'm going to close this now, just for my own sanity and for your own sanity, so I don't get to be confused. Okay, so now price may fake out. Maybe price may come all the way to start touching here or touching here. Allow it. Okay, the only issue we're going to have is if it touches this level and keeps going up. That is the only issue we're going to have. Then we're going to miss a trade because we don't have plans for that. Okay, let's see. This is just 50 pips, so it's not worth it. It's not worth a trial. Okay, we just have to let it go. If it goes above here, I'm just going to put some mark here. If it comes above here and breaks, then we have to let it go. But if it comes above here and forms anything, any consolidation, the break of that consolidation is going to be our entry for price to continue going down. Guys, see you on the other side. In less than 1 minute, in less than 45 seconds, in less than 40 seconds, we're going to see the force of market open, NYSE open. Okay, good luck everyone. I hope you have your positions ready. Yesterday we tried out US 30, but guys, guess what? It's not our thing, man. That stuff is very confusing. Really, I salute everyone that trades US 30. US 30 is not easy to trade. Trust me, it's not easy to trade. Okay, I salute everyone. Salute. So if we take a trade around here, we expect profit around here. So 4 seconds. Good luck, guys. Good luck. We have to let the first 1 minute to close. Now, do not forget, we have price actions here already. This is our 80% Fibonacci level. Okay, 70 to 88% Fibonacci level. So we are expecting price to go down. And this is the game now. Without volume, it's better we stay out completely. Exactly. Uncle that misbehaves at family gathering. Exactly. It does. Is that one uncle that wants to ruin everybody's future? Am I the only one seeing this possibility of price to hit this level? Am I the only one seeing this, that price may hit this level? We have to patiently wait. If price comes to this level, then we have more profits to make. Okay, see, we have 129 pips. So price, please go up. Now if you want to buy, go ahead and buy. I'm not buying nothing. Okay, this is not worth the shot. Okay, and then I'm gonna educate, sorry if for using that word, educate. I'm gonna shock you guys now. This is the game now. See, this guy just retested FIBO level. So I think if it closes bearish, we have our opportunity to get in. If this current candle closes bearish, we may get in early. Okay, no volume, guys, no volume. I can't see no volume. No volume, man. No volume. So guys, are you ready for this? Nice. So your entry is below this candle. If it breaks below this candle, you get in with 14 pips stop loss. So that's a very nice stop loss, I would say. Okay, let's make it 28. With 28 pips stop loss, we can go ahead to harness. Oh, nice. We are in to harness all these profits, to harvest or harness, whatever is called. Let's see, at this level we can take it up to 90 pips, but we have to be careful. So at 30 pips, we're going to move our stop loss to break even and close 90%. Why? Because there's no volume today. I can see there's no volume. Okay, at 30 pips, we move our stop loss to break even and close 90% and let 10% run. If you want to do whatever you want to do, it's up to you. This is what I'm going to do. Okay, see you guys on the other side. Come on, man. I've got some positions open. Don't just go up. Otherwise, unless you want us to fight. So if you're not okay with what we do here, guys, there is a simple thing to do. Close the positions now. You are still not losing anything. Close the positions now and leave, okay? So that you don't have to blame anybody for losses. Here, we don't blame anybody for losses. We trade here as a family. We give signals, and if it works out, good. If it doesn't work out, everyone braces up for the next day. That is what we do here, okay? So if you're not okay with what we do here, close your positions and please exit the streaming, okay? For us, we have confidence that whatever thing we do, whatever signals we call, is gonna work out, okay? So let's see. I don't like what's happening, by the way. I will tell you the truth. I expected some sort of, a push, but a push downwards, or do I say a pull, or whatever it's called. I expected some, very long candle coming, just 1, 2, 3, in 3 to 4, maximum 10 minutes. We are done with the trade, but then the trade is still, rounding and rounding and making some drama that I don't like. But then what to do? What I'm simply gonna do, since I didn't use my full risk, I'm gonna add a position. Let me show you where. So I'm gonna remove this now, okay? The first Fibo, it has served its purpose. So the second Fibo, if price touches this second Fibo and forms some sort of reversal pattern, I'm going to add one more position there with the same stop loss, okay? Let's see how that works out. Everyone, just be patient. Be patient. Do not be in a hurry. You guys should be telling me to be patient. Actually, not me, not the other way around. Because I like scalping, right? So you guys should be telling me, "Hey, Kingsley, be patient. Don't call it off." But then I'm the person telling you guys to be patient. Be patient. Let's see how this trade works out. Okay. So guys, price has broken above the previous high, which is not a good sign. So I just closed out 50% of my positions. I don't want to be a victim of unnecessary losses, okay? So since I know what I'm doing, I've just closed out 50% of my positions. I'm going to advise you to do the same. So price has actually reversed. Go to 1 hour and see, check for yourself. Price has reversed, but what I don't know is if it's actually gonna go back. This is what I call a steeper wick, right? So this is actually, if you understand my strategies very well, this is a steeper wick. So what we're aiming for now is a break of this high. If price breaks above this high, it means that this steeper wick is in play, or it's moving so fast it's breaking. So my trade just closed. I'm gonna show you guys. This is it. This is my trade. I'm at loss as well, so not just you. You can see my partials. I closed my partials, then my stop loss got hit. Okay, so everyone just relax. Let's see if we're not able to get another trade again, then we wait for FOMC. Okay, but if you are eager to make money, this is 1 hour giving us a steeper wick, and after a steeper wick comes a very wonderful move to the opposite direction of that steeper wick, right? So if you have the energy, okay, for me, I'm not taking it. This is just a recommendation. If you've got the energy, okay, this is the position. Let me close out all this noise because this is 1 hour, purely 1 hour trade. So we gotta close out all this noise and then take out this 1 hour position. Okay, take a position above. If price breaks above its high, this 1 hour breaks above this high, then you need to take a trade for price to hit this, at least give us 66 pips. Okay, so let's hope this works out. Do not open a position, do not open a buy now. Open a buy only when price breaks above this level. Okay, I'm just going to add the price tags there so that you are aware of what we are expecting. The stop loss is a little bit very small, but then that is as per the strategy, the stop loss should be below the wick of the candle itself. Okay, so let's hope that this works out as well. If it doesn't work out, it's been triggered. I'm not taking it, like I told you guys, I'm not taking the position. So take the position at your own risk, but I know this actually plays out a lot. Okay, let's see how that works. In the morning we lost our first position and we gained the second one, and the third one I think we gained. Yeah, the third one later hit stop loss, in as much as I closed it early, but it's later hit stop loss. So in the morning there was no loss. This evening automatically there's one loss. Now let's see if the second trade is going to play out. If it plays out, then congrats to everyone that took it. Congrats in advance to everyone that took the trade. Come on, come on, come on, my friend. Why? If I had seen this, I would have actually closed my position early. But 1 second, guys. Now, I want you guys to understand something. This particular trade here, it has a very high risk. Our previous trade was actually a stop loss of 28 pips, but this has a stop loss of 57. make sure you are equal to the task before you take this trade. If you've taken this trade impulsively and you've assessed yourself and you've seen that you cannot hold stop loss of 57 pips, please close this position. It's too early. It's still early. Close out the position because there is a very huge possibility that price is going to hit stop loss. So that's my advice. I can see literally the price is not doing anything. It just wants to hook people and scam people. I wouldn't call it scam, and liquidate accounts and then release do some show of momentum during FOMC news. But then we are equal to the task. Thank God for something called risk management. We are going to be able to get our money back without any hazards. Okay, let's see how it works out. Thank you very much, Abodi Jizawi. Abodi Jizawi, that's a very interesting name. I'm going to contact you personally to understand what that name means, and perhaps I could actually change my name to that name. I love it so much. Bondaddy, you are still holding the original sell. Good luck to you. Well, it's all up to you. You have your strategies. You have your set of principles, trading principles. Follow your trading principles. If one of your trading principles is to have hold positions, good luck. Okay. If it's not, then you need to work on that. Okay. It's a killer. Okay. Holding position, holding losses is one of the things that actually made me to that delayed my success as a trader. Okay, it doesn't worth nothing. I mean, you're not gonna get nothing from holding positions. Okay, learn your stop loss and TP accordingly. But then if price goes in our direction, that would be prayerful because price has the potentials to go down. But then I see that maybe it may or may not hit these levels, right? So let's see. Again, I'm not in this position, so if you are taking this position, you are taking it absolutely on your own. Okay, so let's see. Okay, Abdurrahman, that's beautiful. My name is Kingsley. My name is Kingsley. Kingsley, Kingsley. Kingsley. Looks like price actually is gonna fall again. So if I were you and I'm still holding this position, like of course you know me very well, I like to cut short the losses. So if I were you, if I were in this position, I would have just closed because there's no need holding. I'm gonna come back at FOMC at 9:30 p.m. to have fun with everyone. We're gonna discuss. You're gonna ask your questions. We're gonna talk about it because it looks like price will actually continue the downwards movement. So I don't want to get confused. I don't want to confuse anyone. I don't want to make anyone to lose money. I'm a scalper. My scalping strategies it didn't work this time around, so I gotta quit today streaming. Okay, so thank you everyone for joining. I hope to see you guys during FOMC. It's just gonna be very fantastic time with you. Okay, bye bye everyone.